Okay, this one is called pluck. I don't think I pronounced that correctly, but it's a convenient version of what is perhaps the most common use case for map, extracting a list of values, of property values. So we have this array of objects, they all have name and age, and we just pass the property name and the array of objects. It will retain the name for each object of them. I think this one is a little bit easy. Anyway, so we have this. I have the same example that they have. So node, pluck, we have the names. So pluck2 will be equal to list, a function that accepts a list, and prop name, just return list.map. This is the object name. I think this one is really easy. Yeah. We should see the same thing.